Welcome back to King Online Trading School. If this is the first time you'll be watching any of our videos, make sure you click the subscribe button and don't forget to activate the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever we upload any new content. And of course, if you are into forex trading, crypto trading, binary option, and stock trading, this channel is a channel you want to stick to. We have a lot of good quality video content that can help you better your trading career. So feel free to explore our channel, all right? Feel free to explore and don't forget to activate the bell icon. Okay, so let's get down to our crypto analysis for today, for this week, guys. So in our previous analysis, if you have been following our analysis for the past couple of weeks, you discover that our analysis have been extremely accurate. And in our previous analysis, we analyzed that we have over 90% assurance that Bitcoin was going to drop down to around 47,000 and below. And right here, this is exactly what we have seen in the last few days. Bitcoin has dropped down below 47,000, and around this area was the area we said we should be looking for a buy. And of course, Bitcoin is already reacting to that area, signifying a buy, a long move right here. This is a major major demand zone on the higher time frame, and Bitcoin has respected that, is respecting that area, as we can see right now. So right now, for those who have taken spot trade, this area should be a good area where to look for a buy entry. Okay, so for those who will be taking this on future trading, so let's walk down below and see the area where we should have taken a trade. So this should be a good area to have taken a buy trade, which is an area where we have taken our trade for a buy on Bitcoin. So for those who have missed this entry, we have a good area where you can take more buy right now for the spot trading. So right here, for this for the futures trader, you have to wait for Bitcoin to drop down to around this level right here, around 49,410 USDT, to look for a buy right here. If you have missed the first entry on this engulfing, so wait for it to drop down to this area and take your buy entry around this area, guys. Okay, that is going to be a good area to look for a buy. So, and this area right here, this supply area right here, is going to be an area to pick our first profit. And of course, we are not yet fully sure that this is going to keep going up until this supply get broken. So for the futures trader, this is a good area to pick a profit. Okay, so you definitely want to wait for it to drop down to around 49,410. So pick your buy entry right there and take part of your profit right here until we see that this supply area get broken. Then we are going to be targeting, expecting Bitcoin to rise up to around 86,000 USDT. But based on the law of supply and demand, we have larger assurance that this level is going to get broken. So you want to buy Bitcoin right around this area, either on spot, on futures, and hold until it rises up to 86,000 USDT to take part of your profit. So this is our analysis for you guys on Bitcoin. Okay, so you want to wait for it, for Bitcoin to drop down a little bit before you take your trade. So that is it on Bitcoin. So the next one I want to talk about is Ethereum USDT. Guys, our analysis on Ethereum has been excellently accurate if you have been following us so far, and all the trades we posted on our group are all playing, they all played out so well. So guys, we also analyzed in our previous video that we are expecting Ethereum to drop down to around 3,500, and that is exactly what we've seen. This is a good demand area where we were expecting Ethereum to dropped down to, and Ethereum has just done exactly what we expected it to do, and now the move to the upside is already happening. So how can we join the trade if we have missed a trade right here? For those who have put their pending order right here, should be in massive profit right now. Okay, so how can we enjoy this trade right here, guys? So let's drop down to lower time frame and see our area of entry. And now, before I move further, I analyzed that in our previous video that we were expecting Ethereum to complete a two-wave move, and which is what we've seen right here. Okay, which is what we've seen right here, as Ethereum has done exactly that. Okay, so right now our area of entry, for those who have missed the pending order right here on spot trading, and for those who have missed this engulfing area on the futures trading, there's still an opportunity to look for an entry. So you want to wait. This is a primary trend line right here, guys. So we want to wait and see what Ethereum is going to do right here. You wait for Ethereum to drop down to this area of entry, all right, to drop down to around 4,100 USDT, and expect it to pull up, all right, to continue its move to the upside. So wait for Ethereum. It may go up a little bit, but wait, we're going to have a retracement back to around 4,100, and we're going to expect it to explode to the upside to around 5,583 USDT. This is a trade we will be waiting for. Also, we've taken part of the trade right here. We are expecting to retrace back here. And for those who have taken the trade right around this place, this area right here at 4,650 will be an area to pick part of your profit. And if it retraces back right from here, 4,650 is going to be an area to pick part of your trade if you are taking this on futures trading. And if you are taking this on spot trading, our target is going to be around 5,583 USDT. So that is it on Ethereum, guys. So the next one I want to take a look at is Rune USDT. Rune USDT, if you are been following this for a while, you will see that this coin has also been dancing to our analysis based on supply and demand law. So right now, we still expect Rune USDT to drop down to this weekly demand zone before the move can continue to the upside. This is currently sitting at a support right here. So guys, we expect this to still pull down a little bit more based on the move we are seeing right here, to move down to this level, and also to complete this move right here, guys. Okay, to also complete this move. So that is what we are expecting the USDT to do, to drop down to this demand area before we can see a significant push up to the upside. So just following this analysis, if I should drop down to H4 right here, guys, and with this in mind, I'm expecting this to pull up to this primary trend line, to respect this trend line before we can see a significant pull down. Okay, a significant pull down to the major demand zone right here. So expect USDT to pull up to around 9.35 USDT before we can look for a sales, and we will take our profit before 4.2729 USDT, and right from there we'll be expecting a big move to the upside. So this is what we are waiting and looking forward from Rune to present to us. Okay, so the last one I want to take a look right here is SHIB USDT. So SHIB USDT, this has been playing according to our analysis. We'll discuss with few of our students that SHIB is still going to drop down to quadruple 3.2, which is around this demand area. Okay, we made the analysis when it was around this level, that we still expected it to drop down to this place, and this coin has done exactly what we analyzed. Okay, so now For those who have placed their pending order right here for SHIB buy, so you should be in some profit right here. So now let's take a look on how we can take some profit. And for those who will be taking this, and of course this can only be taken on spot trading, you can still go in the trade, go into the trade right now, still at a good area to take a buy. Okay, and our stop loss is going to be right below this demand zone. So if you are to go down a little, go down to the lower time frame to look for an area of entry, this is still a good one based on spot trading. If you want to trade this on spot trading, and if you want to wait for this to drop down a little bit, you may wait for this to drop down a little bit to this level before we can see you can take your buy. But here is the area where we expect SHIB to pull up very well. So you can hold SHIB for as long as you want. You can hold SHIB for as long as you want. And we are holding SHIB until we see it get to 1 cent. All right, we are holding SHIB. So you can buy right around this place for a long time. Buy and hold it until it gets to 1 cent. So that's going to be a massive profit, and we expect this. So we expect SHIB to get to this based on our fundamental analysis. We expect SHIB to get to 1 cent in the next one year or in the next 18 months. So that is all I have for you guys on the crypto. So if you are here to subscribe, please make sure you click that subscribe button. And if you really want to receive if you really want to receive the signal on what we have analyzed, make sure you join our Telegram or WhatsApp group. There is a link down below. Ensure you click that link to join us on Telegram. There we'll be dropping our signal based on all this analysis and every other coin we see that has potential to dance to our analysis. So this is all I have for you guys. Make sure you click that subscribe button and ensure you like this video and share it with your loved ones. So thank you so much for having me. My name is Abolade Adekola. Once again, people call me the King Maker. So let's see more on how our analysis is going to play out, and we'll see you guys we'll see more of you guys on during the week and on our Telegram group. Thank you so much for having me. Bye bye for now, and happy trading.